3 plus 4 gives us 7, and 3 times 7 is just 21. Here we have 21 divided by this. So 21 divided by 21, which gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one addition. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 3 plus 4, which gives us 7. So 21 divided by 3 times 7. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 21 divided by 3 is just 7. And 7 times 7 gives us 49. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 49.